In a world where fashion is rapidly evolving, the need for sustainability, innovation, and skilled professionals has never been greater. The Fashion Earth Alliance, Vocational Excellence and Enterprise, or in short FEA-VEE project, brings together education and industry to shape the future of fashion, textiles, and apparel. FEA-VEE connects vocational education and training providers with industry representatives across Europe. It creates a dynamic environment where knowledge, skills, and ideas can flow freely between different levels of expertise. This collaboration is built on two key pillars. First, a shared vision. Partners work together to define future strategies and common goals. Second, action. Through an online networking platform that supports collaboration, innovation, and international mobility for learners. The project responds to two urgent challenges. There is a growing shortage of skilled professionals in the fashion and textile industries. At the same time, the sector must transition toward greener, more sustainable practices. FEA-VEE addresses both by attracting young talent and equipping them with the skills needed for a more responsible and innovative industry. A key part of the project is learning by doing. 2 international study visits were designed to bring education to life, connecting theory with real-world experience. Students, graduates, and young professionals from 6 countries came together in Spain and Germany to explore sustainability, digital transformation, and entrepreneurship in fashion. The first study visit took place in Terrassa, Spain, bringing together 60 participants from across Europe. The program focused on textile sustainability, technological innovation, and social impact. Participants engaged in academic sessions, visited advanced research facilities, and explored cutting-edge developments in textile engineering. They also took part in hands-on workshops, including the Ecodesign Hackathon, where teams developed sustainable fashion concepts and prepared to present their ideas. Beyond the classroom, participants experienced real-world applications through visits to ethical production, initiatives in social enterprises. They explored circular business models, gained insights from industry leaders, and attended sessions on textile digitalization. A visit to a textile museum offered a deeper understanding of fast fashion's impact, inspiring creative reflection through fashion illustration. The study visit concluded with presentations from the hackathon teams. Their ideas reflected creativity, collaboration, and a strong understanding of how sustainability can be applied in practice. These experiences demonstrated how knowledge from research, industry, and culture can come together to create meaningful solutions.
Well, this motivated me to expand my knowledge about textile and sustainability. My expectations are to learn about people from other countries, what they think and their knowledge about textile and sustainability. I think that this visit will help me to know more things about sustainability, other industries, and textile.
I think it's a lot of new experiences, especially with other people from other countries. And we also learn everything and visit some cool places. And I think that's a cool experience to get.
The biggest motivation is that because I am designer, but also I'm a teacher. So I like to grow more in fashion and in sustainability in fashion. So for sure this project will help me to grow and to continue this message with my students and to show them what I will learn here in the next days. The most important is to collect different cultures and to take the best of each of them and to go back home like more rich young people. And for sure all what we will learn from our mentors in the next days to become big like idea and to be a future product.
Well, what motivated me was the experience and the chance to meet new people to the industry. Well, I'm studying management and I really wanted to understand how the background of the business works. Well, the experience is amazing. I loved it so far. We learned so many things and I would do it 100% of it.
Well, being a student at the Textile Design and Textile Art department, when I saw this open call, I was instantly attracted to the idea of researching some sustainable way of making textiles. Oh, I'm sure it will help me a lot since it will most likely and already has helped me develop some new ideas and even some new point of views about the materials and the ways the textiles are made and fabricated.
I'm a weaver and I deal with textile all day, and I think if you make textile and you deal with fashion, then you cannot do this without talk about climate and how the textile industry affects the climate today. So I joined this to know more about it and to meet people that deals with the same. I think it will help with networking and to learn how other countries also deal with the question of textile climate change.
The second study visit took place from 27th to 31st October 2025 in Pforzheim and was organized by ITCAM with the support of VDMD. The city was selected for its strong creative and textile sector and its long tradition in jewelry and craftsmanship. The program brought together 48 participants from 5 European countries, along with 13 German fashion students, for a week of company visits, cultural activities, and collaborative workshops. Highlights included a visit to the Pforzheim Jewelry Museum and a trend research workshop at Berg Rabeneck, where participants jointly developed a color chart for the VDMD Summer 2027 collection. The itinerary also featured visits to the Sustainable Textile, manufacturer Trajima, and the Sigmaringen Fashion School. Workshops focused on digital pattern development.
What was personally for you an experience for you today?
I think being in a group where you can so clearly see that you share the same values, not only related to fashion and how you want to grow in the industry, but also related to sustainability, is extremely important. Depending on where you come from, you might not find these people so easily, and when you're surrounded by them, it's truly a special feeling.
And it carries you through what you want to do.
Absolutely.
And what was your personal experience for your job orientation today? Were there points where you say, this is what I've been looking for, or this is something I couldn't find anywhere else because I needed the group and the personal talk to someone from the profession?
I mean, I felt that the conversation I had with you, it gave me so much clarity, and it gave me the motivation and the belief in myself that I can actually move forward in this. You know, as I mentioned to you, I don't have official qualifications within this. I don't have an educational background, and so it's easy to feel like hope is lost for me. But coming here, being among people who share the same interests, and then talking to people in the industry give you that power to continue. It's really been totally changing.
And you've shared your professional way of working in a group and working with colors, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you for being here and sharing your talk with me and your experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.